Have you ever woken up and before your feet even hit the floor, your mind is already a earnest nest of worries? Why is that? Our brains seems to have a PhD in remembering everything that went wrong, while barely passing kindergarten when it comes to remembering what went right. Namaste and welcome back to Mindful Sambat. I'm Bobby. Today, we are continuing our series on Can't Stop Thinking. We are diving into Chapter 2, I Obsess About What Hurts the Most. If you ever felt like stuck in a thought loop or wonder why our mind won't let go a painful memory, this episode is for you. This book mentions a staggering statistics about we have between 60,000 to 80,000 thoughts a day. But here's the kicker. 80% of those are negative and 90% those are repetitive. We are essentially playing a greatest hits album of our own anxieties. This book explained that our brains are Velcro for negative experience that they stick instantly, and Teflon for positive ones that they slide right off. Evolutionarily, it's safe to mistake a stick for a snake than a snake for a stick. Our ancestors who were hyper-vigilant survived, but in 2026, we don't have like saber-toothed tigers. Instead, our brain treats a mean comment or a work mistake like a life-threatening predator. The authors make a brilliant point here that the sticks we dodge today are not physical. They are threats to our ego, our value, and our self-esteem. Why do we replay the embarrassing things we said 3 years ago? Because our brain thinks that if we analyze it enough, it can prevent the psychological death of being rejected by our tribe. Your overthinking is not flaw. It's a misguided survival tactic. There is the most profound part of the chapter is rumination as a self. We often cling to our pain because we feel that letting go would be like abandoning ourselves. We think if we stop thinking about the pain did not matter. Or we are not honoring the struggle that we did. There's a story that author described here about a mother who lost her daughter, and she felt that if she stopped suffering, she would be leaving her daughter behind. In that way, we use rumination as a way to provide ourselves with the empathy we didn't get from others. We tell ourselves, like, see, this really hurts. I'm not over it yet. This is the way of taking care of ourselves that actually keeps the wound open. The author calls this a chewing on mental junk food. It keeps the mind busy, but it offers zero nutrient. So how do we break the loop? Let's exercise one thing here. Try showing up for just 1 hour without your story. Like no history, no narrative of I'm the person who was hurt or I'm the person who failed. Just be now. And notice how light that feels. Instead of saying, stop thinking about this, try placing a hand on your hurt and saying, I see that this is still hurting me, but it's okay that I'm feeling this. This chapter teaches us that our thoughts are just stored up energy returning to consciousness. They are not truth. They are just a very old protection system that needs an update. I want to hear from you. What is the one thought loop that you have been stuck lately? How would it feel to let go the stick for just 5 minutes today? If this helped you understand your mind a little better, please hit the like button and subscribe to Mindful Samvad with Bobby. In next episode, we'll look at the chapter 3 and the favorite flavors of self-criticism. Until then, stay mindful and be kind to your mind. Namaste.